Alright guys, what's going on? It's been a while. I honestly don't even remember where we left off. It's got new pistons and jugs are machined and everything, and I've been kind of doing this. I've been really busy lately, so I've been lacking on videos, and kind of just started working on this without even filming. But that's tapped back on. I think I just put an M10 bolt in there. Just tapped it with an M10 by like 1.25 or something like that. And jugs, heads, and everything I'm back on. Gaskets all good. Coolant lines and everything are good. Pretty much we're on to exhaust and put some coolant in her. And this isn't on. I just kind of mocked it up and threw the springs on there. But I'm going to take this back off and make sure everything's good. I got new donuts and everything in there. Kind of just been really busy. I've been working on my KX250 lately. I'm getting ready to sell that. So I'll probably make a video about it this weekend. I'm pulling the engine out of it and getting ready to sell that so I can buy a YZ250. And that's a project that I picked up for really good deal. It's a 01 DRZ 400. It's going to be my street bike for this summer. It's got like 6,000 miles on it. It's in pretty decent shape. Pretty much it was just a carb rebuild and the thing runs great. I don't got the key on me right now or I'd start it, but that runs good. I got the taillights and everything for it right there. I just got to put that on and register and insure it, get the plate, and probably make some videos on that, go exploring and stuff this summer, but that's for later. But anyway, I'll try to crank this out real quick, get these exhausts on, and I guess see if I even have coolant here, because I don't know if I do. We got our garage doors and everything redone, so everything was kind of just put on hold for a while and just put away in storage, and I finally got back around to getting this thing out. And yeah, so I'm gonna find the rest of the exhausts, which are in a box somewhere that I packed away, and we're gonna get these on here and fill her up, and I guess we'll see if she fires. So I guess we'll go from there. Alright guys, we got two of our exhaust pipes on, and we're just going to go back to putting the cylinder one on, and then we're going to find some coolant for it and make sure everything's tightened up and see if we can get her to fire. So I'm going to put that pipe back on, and we'll get on from there. Alright guys, the exhausts are installed and they are solid. So now we're going to fill up our good old coolant right there and right there. And I got to tighten up the carb boots and everything, and yeah, that's about it. I might as well compression check it first, so we're going to do that real quick. Alright guys, just compression tested every cylinder. Each one is at 120, which I was searching around online and everyone says about 115 to 120 on a fresh rebuild, so that looks good. So now just tighten up carbs, the intake boots and everything, and put coolant in it, and I guess we'll see if she fires off. Alright guys, we discovered a little coolant leak right here off this little water jacket right here. You can see it kind of dripping down the head there, but so we're going to re-silicone that and see if we can fix it. Alright guys, it's everything's back together, so I'm just going to let that dry, and then I'm going to pick this video back up as soon as that's done, and we'll continue putting coolant in it and see if she fires. Alright ladies and gentlemen, the old gasket maker has dried up nicely, so we're going to refill this baby with coolant and see if she holds this time. So I think we're going to be a little bit better around because I fixed that ring in the cylinder head. So we're going to fill her up and see if she fires. Alright guys, she's all back together. I'm not seeing any coolant leaks. So we're gonna go ahead and see if she fires up. And I don't have a tripod, so I'm going to see if I can set my camera up on the old sawhorse there, and yeah, see if we fire. Alright guys, well she's pretty much good to go. She's running pretty good. I'll have to mess with the carbs a little bit before next riding season, because yeah, it's already springtime, but you know, it's done though. So she'll be getting loaded up on the old trailer, covered up with the other sled, and yeah, I'll probably make a video next season for it. It does need some carb tuning. It's not running perfect right now, but it fires up, so I mean, it needs a little bit of carb tunes. But yeah, this is my first like full restoration series. Definitely got a lot of room for improvement. Definitely gonna have a lot of videos coming this year. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little series of me getting this sled back together and running. So yeah, subscribe for more, and have a good rest of your guys' day.